vegetable? Hmm? What's your favorite vegetable? Is it peas? Mm. Yeah, you like that? Delicious. Yeah, delicious. Let me have it back, please. I need it back. Oh, okay. There's some on there, but I don't think you can get it. Okay. Ready? Here it comes. Oh, that was a big mouthful. You're so dramatic. Here, let's get some of that. Here you go. Want some more? Is it delicious? Okay, you do it, since you know how so well. There's some on there. You can do it. Oh, it's gonna make an unholy mess. Come here. Let me have that. Thank you. Here you go. Ready? Ready? Oh my God, peas are the worst thing in the whole world. Here you go. What's the matter? Oh dear. Oh, this is being preserved for posterity. You really hate them? I like them. He's turning all red.
Is he getting? He's not getting pinched or something.
I don't think so. I was looking.
He's
And he's good. Got some in your undercarriage, son? Oh, okay. We'll try again later. Ready? Napkin. Nappy, nappy, napkin. Yeah, I know. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it's terrible. It's terrible, terrible. Oh, yeah, nice job, Anna.
All right.
He's everywhere.